Mercedes Benz. What comes to your mind when you hear the name Mercedes Benz? Luxury, elegance, sophistication, intelligence, etc. are some of the things that come to your mind, right? Yes, it's exactly that. And today what we have with us is its true resemblance of the same. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting to you the Mercedes Benz C-Class. Now take a look at the exterior of the car. You have a sharp, elegant looking car with flowing lines all the way from the front to the back. You have this sporty yet elegant looking front end with a prominent Mercedes Benz logo in the grille that can be seen from miles away. The LED headlamps over here have these 8 high performance LEDs in them that emit the color spectrum of daylight, making them less stressful on long distance driving. Let's switch to night mode. Welcome back. That was cool, right? Moving on to the side, you have these flowing lines from the front all the way to the back, making the side profile as well look elegant with the 17-inch silver alloy wheels that accompany the side profile perfectly. And let's move on to the rear. What more to say? You have these curvy lines, flowy lines all the way at the back as well, with this prominent looking C-shaped LED tail lamps at the back that distinguish it from the crowd. Let's switch to night mode. Welcome back. That was cool, right? Now that I'm done with the talking of the exterior, let's hop on inside. So now hopping on the interior of this car, and the first thing that I feel is I'm sitting in a very premium, elegant looking cabin. I have beige, black and this brown open pore wood in the center, making it a lot more elegant and premium. I have this steering wheel in front of me that has this touchpad over here and are very intuitive and easy to use. So the right hand side control the digital instrument cluster and the left hand side control the infotainment system right here. The steering is as well electronically adjustable, so it's very easy to adjust it as well for reach and rake as well. My seats that I'm sitting on are very comfortable. I have good amount of bolstering as well over here, and they are electrical, so the driver and the passenger seat is electronically adjustable from these buttons right here. And I have 3 memory functions as well. Now not only that, I also have electrical thigh support as well, which is really nice and helpful, especially for taller passengers. So then we come to this screen in front of me. Now this is a 12-inch screen in the center that has loads of information. You can control stuff from your engine to your infotainment and stuff like that. That is really intuitive and informative over here, that can be controlled from this toggle in the center on the bottom over here. It is not a touch screen, but it is really informative and easy to use. You have a touchpad as well that gives you haptic feedback, so that makes it a lot more easier to use, so you don't need to keep your eyes off the road when you're driving. You have a lot more buttons as well at the bottom. You have your parking aid as well over here, your auto start stop on and off, volume control buttons, and your drive selector mode as well, which we'll explain to you on the drive when we are on that. Then you have this clock in the center that looks really elegant and has this Mercedes Benz logo in the center, making it a lot more elegant. You have nice looking AC vents over here, circular ones that are silver in finish that make it look a lot more premium. The sound system as well in this car is nice, very bassy, very crisp sound to it that makes it a lot more better. I have this huge panoramic sunroof on the top that makes the cabin a lot more airy and lively as well. Now you have two screens. You have one that opens up and the second one for the rear passengers that is just a glass, but it makes a lot more difference. Let's hop on to the back and see what we have there as well. So now hopping on the rear, and the elegance has carried on from the front to the back as well. I have this beige, black and this brown open pore wood that makes it feel a lot more premium. I have this scooped out seat backs over here that are really nice for my knees. I have a airplane style magazine holder in the front that I can keep my stuff as well over here. The AC vents at the back as well have this premium touch to it. I have this silver surround around it, and you can also adjust the air temperature from here. That is really great. I also have a 12 volt charging slot and two USB ports at the bottom, so I never run out of battery. Then I have this amazing sun blind over here that I can put up so it keeps me away from the scorching heat of the sun. That's not all. I also have one at the rear that is electronically adjustable that can be controlled from the front. Yeah, that one. Then I have this armrest over here that I can house my tab. This ain't a wireless charging pad, but I do have a wireless charging in the front. That's really great. And you have these cup holders as well at the back that open separately, and if I want only one to be open, I can do that as well, saving space over here. Overall, the seating comfort is very nice. It holds you well inside. It has a slight recline angle to it, so that's really nice on long drives. Visibility is amazing. I also have a glass roof on the top that looks really nice and brings that airy feeling at the back as well. So now, without any further ado, let's get straight into driving this car.